Hey everyone! Today I want to recommend a really cool Unity asset called Melting Tool. This tool lets you create amazing and realistic melting effects for almost any game object. You can use it on environments, characters, or props, and it works great for things like dissolving, transforming, or dramatic visual effects. One thing I really like about this asset is how customizable it is. You can easily adjust the melting speed, patterns, and many other parameters to match your own art style. It's also compatible with built-in URP and HDRP, and it's optimized for both desktop and mobile, so performance is not a problem. Setup is very simple, just drag and drop the material, tweak a few values, and you're good to go. The package also includes documentation and example scenes, which makes it very beginner-friendly. If you're looking for a fast and flexible way to add melting or dissolve effects to your Unity projects, this asset is definitely worth checking out. I put the purchase link in the video description, and I've also pinned it in the top comment for easy access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.